Hello everybody, this is Dr. Meenakshi and today we are going to talk about the basic exercise for ankle sprain, that is lateral ankle sprain most commonly. So here is the setup. You need the first exercise is towel crunches and marble pickup. For that we need a towel and few marbles here. So what you need to do, you need to crunch it like that, okay, and then it will help in stimulating the flexors and extensors of your foot without doing any pressure on the ankle. Okay. So this is the first one. Then remove it from here. And then the marble pickups. Pick up it and put in on the other side. You can spread them on different places so that the knee and the hip muscles also get activated like this. Okay. So here is the second exercise. In this you need a towel or any dupatta, what is handy available, and wrap it around your ball of the toes, and you need not to stretch your toe or your ankle. You just need to stretch it toward yourself with the help of your hands, okay? Then hold it for 20 to 30 seconds and then relax. I'm not using my ankle here, okay? So make sure you are stretching it. This is a calf stretch and then relax, okay? After this stretch, we'll move to the next exercise. For this, we need this TheraBand. You can use TheraTube also. Wrap it around here, hold, and then do to make it properly here, and then do plantar flexion, okay? You can use different color of TheraBands here. This is black one with high resistance. You can use yellow, red, green as you progress with the exercise. Okay. The next one, for this you need to make a loop, small loop here. So tie it like this. Okay. Then cross it here and use this as an anchor, okay, and then place it here and then like this. This is inversion. Don't do like this, not the whole movement of your leg, okay? See here, not the whole movement, just this. This is inversion. Now for the eversion, it here and then use the other leg as an anchor like this, and then this. Can you see? Like this. Okay, outward movement of your ankle. For this you can also place a foam roll or a towel behind your ankle so that it will give a better grip, whatever you prefer. Okay, the next exercise is calf stretch in standing position. For this, if you want to stretch your left leg, then put it behind, okay? Put your body pressure on that and go forward with your whole body. Don't let your heel up, okay? So like it, just stay here for 20 to 30 seconds and then relax. So repeat it for 3 to 4 times. The next one is on toes, okay, or heel raise. So for this, do this, you can put hands here for a little support, then come back again and then come back. You can also practice the toe rows like this, okay? So when you are doing these, so you can go up to 25 to 30, and if it is so easy for you, then switch on one leg toe raise, okay, or heel raise, okay, like this. Okay, the next one is toe walk. Be on your toes and walk forward, then backward, and you can also walk sideways, okay? These are on progression. When you are able to do the other exercise very well, then you progress to this exercise. And the last one exercise is balance exercise. For this, raise your other leg and stand on it and stand still, okay? If it's not easy for you, then you can bend backwards and then maintain the balance. You can also do these exercises on oval board or on the balance board. So these are the basic exercise for the ankle lateral sprain. There are many other exercises for the progression or for the strengthening. We'll catch up these in the next video. Bye.